How can I create a sustainable and environmentally friendly garden space for my vegetables? Creating a sustainable and environmentally friendly garden for your vegetables involves adopting practices that promote biodiversity, conserve resources, and minimize environmental impact. Here are some tips to help you create an eco-friendly vegetable garden. 1. Avoid using chemicals. Chemicals aren't good for anyone. Sure, they kill the pests or diseases that you're fighting, but the cost is much higher than just the intended use. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides leach into the ground, potentially affecting vegetable crops for years. Pesticides don't just kill the pesky bugs, they destroy all they come in contact with, which is often beneficial insects like bees, butterflies, and moths as well. There are many natural ways to get rid of pests or combat diseases. This is especially important in lawn maintenance, where so many toxic substances are used today. 2. Start a compost pile or bin. One of the best ways to give back to the land is to revitalize it with rich, organic compost. Every time you grow vegetables, you are taking nutrients out of the earth. To continue growing bountiful vegetable crops, you need to replenish the soil on a regular basis. Implementing a compost system also means you are turning waste into a useful resource. 3. Employ rain catchment systems. One primary goal of any sustainable garden is to use less water. Our water supply is not infinite, and it is especially unreliable in hot climates with rapid evaporation, or those frequently subjected to drought. Rain barrels are an excellent way to collect rainfall when it is available and store it for later use. Using rainwater Mother Nature naturally provides also reduces costs and is infinitely better for the environment. 4. Use native plants. Planting trees and flowers that are native to the area encourage more beneficial insects and require fewer resources to thrive. Native plants should always be the first choice. The long-term benefits of using native fruit trees, plants, and flowers are priceless. When we plant trees in our garden that are native, we improve the health of our landscape. 5. Reuse materials. Turn old lumber into a garden fence. Use discarded bricks and other materials to build paths and enhance the natural landscape. Don't throw things away that have the potential for reuse. This not only saves you money, but it's also better for the environment because those items aren't going to end up in the landfill. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.